Hello, my planner friends. It's Crystal with Happy to Plan. I'm going to be doing my Plan With Me video for the week of November 11th through the 17th. And last week I did a pretty simple theme with very limited supplies, and I really enjoyed that process of trying to find a creative way to use the supplies that I had in my stash. So I decided that this week I was also going to do that. I've had these stickers in my stash. They came from a planner friend of mine, probably last year, the year before that. So I wanted to pull them out and use them because I've had them forever. So I'm going to go ahead and jump in and show you what I created. So the first thing that I did was I took this piece of paper that I had. It was just a scrap that I had in my stash. So it went really well with the colors and the stickers. So I decided to use that piece of paper, and then I liked the little gold accents that it brought to the page. So and then I also went ahead and pulled some of this paper. It's got like a leaf pattern on it, and it didn't quite match, but I felt like it was a good accent color for those stickers. And I did like that it kind of brought in the pink from the planner layout, that, the actual like number letters and stuff. So I'm just cutting up a few boxes here of the different paper. And I don't typically use like planner themes, like set stickers like this, like stickers that are like you buy from Etsy. I don't typically use those types of stickers, so I just felt like it would be a fun, like, different way of doing it. I know a lot of people obviously use these different planner. That's kind of how people plan, is they buy things on Etsy and then they, use those stickers to plan out their week. And I don't typically do that, so I just thought this would be kind of a fun way to do something different. And then, of course, use things that I had that are in my stash. Now, obviously, the stickers aren't the right size for the Happy Planner. I think they're actually for Erin Condren. I think that's the planner that they're specifically for. So I did have to, they didn't fill up the whole page, or the whole box, but I was okay with that because I just will cover it up with like today's stickers and, to-do list stickers and things like that. So I'm just going to kind of figure out the design that I want. I did cut all the stickers out so that I could kind of move them around and kind of figure out where I wanted them in relation to the different pieces of paper that I had. So just going to kind of go through the process of designing the page. And I'm not really know what my thought process is when I'm doing this. I kind of just figure out what I like and what it looks right and what it looks aesthetically pleasing to my eye, and then kind of just go with it. So I don't really have like a formula or anything that I use when I'm doing that. All right, so then I'm going to go ahead and get everything kind of glued down, and then once I get everything glued down, I am going to take some washi tape and put some gold washi tape along the edges of the little pink. Even though I liked the pink, I felt like I wanted to bring in more of the gold foil. So I did leave the pink at the bottom, the little polka dotty pinks at the bottom. But I did want to bring in some more gold foil and kind of that accent of the gold foil from the paper. I just wanted to bring some more of that in. So, and I liked how I did it last time with the wood washi tape for last week. I really liked how that looked in the planner as I planned throughout the week. So, yeah, I wanted to do that again. So I just took this little thin washi and I just cut it in half using my cutter just to make it even thinner than it already was. And then I'm just putting it down on the different little spots that are left. And I still felt like it had enough pink with leaving the numbers and leaving the dots at the bottom, that I feel like that pink kind of peachy pink color of that paper still worked well. Okay, so then I'm going to just get this last little piece on, this last little couple pieces on, and then it's going to be sticker time. I'm just going to take a couple minutes here and write down just a few things in my planner. As I'm doing that though, I do want to just mention something that I was thinking about while I was putting all these stickers on. I don't know about you guys. I don't know if you're actually planners that watch my planner videos. I don't know if you're just watch it because you like my planners. But for me, putting a sticker on a piece of paper is very therapeutic. I don't know what it is about like peeling it back and like sticking it on there. It just like, and then just like you make this plain thing, this plain piece of white paper look so pretty afterwards. And it's just so therapeutic to me. And I think that's why I enjoy planners so much and I enjoy this process so much is because it's some little simple task of like peeling and putting a sticker on. It's just very therapeutic. Am I like the only one that thinks that? I don't know. Anyway, that's what I was thinking while I was doing sticker time this time. I'm just like, wow, this is so nice to just like put stickers on paper. I think it just goes back to our childhood. Anyway, I digress. So I wanted to go ahead and do a journal card kind of in the middle. Oh, I'd forgotten to put that sticker on, so I wanted to add it because it was the last sticker in the little collection, so I didn't want to have just some random sticker. Okay, so I found this napkin that I felt like really matched really well because it kind of had the same colors and then it had like the little birdie on it. So I went ahead and just used the other piece of that scrap page. That page on the back of it is the kind of that burnt orange with the gold dots at the bottom. So what I'm doing here is I'm just going to go ahead and get my decoupage out and I'm going to decoupage that napkin onto that piece of paper. Now I do want to let you know if you do this, it does curl the page, but I feel like you just put it in your planner and it kind of like will flatten out. Yeah. So I took some of those tabs. Now those tabs are from Mambi, so they're part of the Happy Planner collection. I'm not even sure if they sell those anymore, but what I do is I use the back of it. So there's different colors. It's like pink and the ones that I have are like pink and turquoise. And sometimes I just want to have the clear ones. So what I'll do is I'll use the back of because you peel off the little sticker and then there's a sticker on the colored part of it. And then I just use the clear part and just use tape. And I figured since I was going to decoupage the napkin on top that you wouldn't really see this anyway. So I just went ahead and taped it on there. And then I'm just going to lay the napkin on top of it so you don't see the tape from the little tab that I just put on there. Alright, so I'm just going to go ahead and I just decoupage just a little bit of it just to get it on there. And then I'm going to go ahead and do the rest of it. And my hand is going insanely fast. So funny how it looks in fast speed. I don't even know what speed that is, but it's going really fast. All right, so then what I decided to do instead of cutting it, I just went ahead and ripped it, um, just to give it like a little bit of a design element to it. And then I'm going to go ahead and grab my planner and put it in. And I really think it turned out pretty. I really like it. It feels very fall and pretty, and I'm really glad I used those stickers. And yeah, so I hope that you guys enjoyed this plan with me, and it was a little bit short, but I feel like it was really pretty, and I hope that you guys enjoyed. And please like and subscribe and all that stuff. So leave a comment down below if you are a sticker lover like me. Okay, thanks, bye. See you next time. Bye.